Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ring light. ESDDI SD 18 inches dimmable brightness Bicolor 3000 Kelvin up to 6500 Kelvin LED ring light with adjustable stand, soft tube, carrying bag for portrait shooting, live streaming, YouTube. I'm going to use this for my channel. Because of this, I bought it. Vlog, especially for vlog, it is really better to get this ring light in front of you, and it will shine bright like a diamond. And of course, it is made for makeup artists. Decent light, specially designed SMD LED matrix, provides decent light around the subject while reducing harsh shadows. This is full right. It also adds a beautiful halo light effect to the shooting subject's eyes. This is spooky. Accurate control is possible. The dimming range is from 10% up to 100%, and the color temperature you can choose from 3000 Kelvin up to 6500 Kelvin. Adjust easily with the knob. No need for installing extra filters, and the digital brightness display helps us to handle the lighting condition better. It has a great compatibility. It's compatible with the most 55 up to 58mm wide smartphones. The phone holder has been upgraded to host mobile phone clip, and the camera cannot be installed on the ring light. Otherwise, you need a special adapter for it. It is possible, I think. If you have a cam with this lighting thing on the bottom side, or you have an adapter for it, you can choose your cam with it. I promise, because I have such an adapter out of another lightning compilation. 6 feet. Wow, this is really tall. Light stand. The adjustable light stand reach a maximum of 6 feet in the height, and light is 180-degree tiltable. Wow, this is really flexible, and it is built out of good materials. The light sources are 432 pieces of SMD LEDs. The lifetime is up to 50,000 hours. The outer diameter is 18 inches. These are 45.8 centimeters. This is really large. The inner diameter is 12.5 inches. And these are 31.8 centimeters. The power supply is from 100 up to 240 voltage. That means you can use this all around the world, I think. And 50/60 Hz. The output power is 48 watt. This is good. Luminous flux is 4800 luminum. And CRI, the color rendering index, is 90 plus. You will not have flicker moments. So on your screen while you are filming a subject. You will get a ring light, a light stand, a really good light stand, really good. You can also use this with your camera, for example, because there is I think it is an 4 inches plug system, and then you can dock your an adapter on it, and then you can use it, for example, with your camera or with your GoPro, etc. This is possible. That means if you're outside, you can use the light stand, the tripod, because it's so large. It's really good for great areas out there. in the outside area. And if you're having a shooting inside and you have a power supply, you can use the light stand plus the ring light. So you have here 2 in 1. You have a soft tube, one charge plug, one hose mobile phone clip. This is to get on the top or in the center of this ring, and then you can film yourself for a vlog, for example, with a good and nice coloring. And a carrying bag is included. It is compatible to so much phones. The smartphone holder is compatible with 55 up to 80 millimeters wide smartphones. I'm using an Apple iPhone 11. It's no problem. It fixed there. Suitable for the most mobile phones out there. And excellent dissipation system. Easy to adjust the color temperature and the brightness through scrolling 2 built-in knobs without installing color filters, etc. Heat-sink designed on the ring light dissipates the heat effectively even after a long time using. And special eye care design. SMD LED design requires only 40 watt work power. Eye care and energy saving. Special ABS shell is durable and safer, for the matter is a very hard material, not easy to burn. Adjustable light stand. The light stand has 4 levels to adjust the height. The soft tube makes the light rotate freely for the best position, meeting your needs at all height and angles. And the collapse height is 19 inches. The maximum height is 75 inches, excluding the hose height. But it is so tall. You can see I can use this to get light into my whole room here. Oh, this is really awesome. I like it really much. You have a folding bracket with a maximum height of 190 centimeters. The folding height is only 48 centimeters. And the pipe diameter is 3 to 2.4, 2.5 to 2.3 to 2 centimeters. Each pipe. You can slide them up to reach the 190 centimeters. And you have an easy bending bracket. The length is 27 centimeters. And this connect the lamp holder, increase the height of the lamp holder, connect the lamp holder and the ring lamp, that making the lamp easier to flip in your angle what you're going to need, which angle. It's really easy to adjust, you can see, and it makes so good and brilliant shooting if you're using this for your vlog, for YouTube videos, because I'm using this now for all my vlogs, and additionally to get light on my set at home. And if I'm outdoor, I'm only using the tripod because of the power supply. Without power supply, there's no battery installed, but this is okay because it's so large to have it inside only. And outside I'm using the tripod for with an adapter for my GoPro and of course for my smartphone and camera systems. And indoor, this is an awesome ring light for vlogs to make a good and nice color all over the set. No problems are right now because you can make this with this ring charming eyes. Aperture makes eyes charming and attractive. You can use it with white, clear white power, or you can adjust it by the knobs to warm light. The warm light is better for more soft photos or soft videos. But if you like to have a detailed thing, use the code white if you need a detailed and clear picture. This is the ring light. You can see it's really easy to adjust, really easy to use, and it makes in one full light level as you like. This is the ring light ESDDI-18 inches, and it's dimmable with brightness Bicolor from 3000 up to 6500 Kelvin. It's an LED ring. Wow! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Because now my channel is more professional with this ring light. Soon.